To delete a card from PrizePicks, follow these steps. Log into your PrizePicks account. First, go to the PrizePicks website or open the PrizePicks mobile app, then log into your account using your credentials. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon or your username in the top corner of the screen. Go to Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payment Methods or Billing section. This is where your current payment methods, such as credit or debit cards, are stored. Locate the card you want to delete. Under the Payment Methods section, you will see a list of all the cards and payment methods linked to your PrizePicks account. Find the card you wish to delete. Delete the card. Next to the card you want to remove, you should see an option like Remove or Delete. Click on this option to remove the card from your account. Confirm deletion. You may be prompted to confirm the action. Once confirmed, your card will be deleted from your PrizePicks account. Add a new payment method. If you wish to add a new payment method, you can do so by following the prompts to add a new card or link another payment option.